Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check activation status on your Windows 11. So in order to activate your Windows, you can try to download the Windows 11 for free from a official website and try to purchase the product key official from the Microsoft. Don't purchase or buy product key from other sources such as e-commerce or from illegal sources. So you can try to or please purchase from the official Microsoft website or portal. So after you purchase the product key, you can try to activate, and you can check by the system on your Windows 11 settings. You can scroll down and here we go. You can click on activation state subscription product key. You can click, and activation state, as you can see, is active if you already input the official product key, if you already purchased the official product key. And here, for example, if you click on this activate, this is the information. Windows is activated with a digital license, and you can change product key if you want to if you fail activate your Windows. You can try to change product key, maybe in the last or in previous edition you use the Windows 11 illegally. You can try to change your product key by official from Microsoft Store or Microsoft website. Feel free to try to activate your Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.